Hi, I'm Mr. Blizzard. Today we're going to talk about speed.
What is it now?
Speed.
Speed
Is the distance that an object travels.
That's the distance something travels
Is the distance something travels
in a given amount of time.
in a certain amount of time.
In a certain amount of time.
Time! Speed is a rate. Speed! Average speed is the same as velocity. Velocity is the same as average speed. Speed! You already know the formula for speed. Speed! You've heard of miles per hour. The miles per hour is actually a representation of the speed formula. Speed formula! So, with miles per hour, you have miles, which is a distance. You have per, which is a representation of division. And you have hours, which is a time. So, when you have, say, my speed is in miles per hour, you're saying my velocity equals my distance over or divided by my time. So, speed equals miles per hour is actually the same as saying velocity equals distance divided by time.
Velocity equals distance over time.
Velocity!
V
equals
distance.
D
Over
time. T
V equals D over T.